guys, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on an outdoor porch sign, double-sided.
Yep. We're going to use 3 1x4s, and we've cut them to a height of 5 feet each. And so we have these boards cut at 10.5 inches. That's going to help secure these together. So we're going to get started screwing these in. Now I am painting one side and my honey is staining the other side. So here we have taped off our sections and we have started spray painting. Okay, the paint has dried here, so now I'm just beginning to decorate and apply the letters. Now I'm decorating the other side. I'm adding some wreath garland to accent it and make it look pretty, but also to hide the screws. I'll add the rest of the letters and show you the results. Okay, this is the final result of our double-sided porch sign. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification if you would like to see more.